Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Compass Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks fantastic. You do have that Jeep badging up front there with your lights right here and your projector-style fog lights down there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They are the Firestone brand tires, and they are 17-inch rims as well. You got your mirrors hanging out right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the 4x4 badging with the Jeep and the North. You can open this guy up right here. Lots of room back here. You can lift this guy up, and you do have your spare tire underneath there, as well as a little bit of additional storage, and those seats do fold forward if you did need extra room. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got the remote start and the panic there, but let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Handle here, and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here. The leather trimmed seats are very comfortable. They look great as well. You do also have your controls over your lights here, so you're off on daytime running lights. Your high beams and your turning signals are all there as well. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. And then right in the center there, it does tell us how many kilometers we have, as well as what gear we're in. And you can switch that around to our trip A and B. We also have the temperature outside and back to our speedometer. That is control from right here, with our horn in the center and cruise control options right over there. And then we do also have our controls over our windshield wipers in the center. Right in the center, we do have the 6.5-inch touchscreen display. So we got our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your Bluetooth options, your radio, your media button here if you do have one hooked up. It does have a hard disk drive as well inside, so you can load music straight onto here. Volume up and down, you have this button to load in your CD, your menu, audio, files, and your USB plugins there as well. Then you have your power up and down with your circulation, your temperature control, and your mode right over there with the defrost. Down here you do have your heated seats, as well as you have your traction control and your hazard lights. Gear shift is here, and then in the center you have your cup holders, your parking brake, and your 4-wheel lock. You do also have some storage just here and right under there. And then over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it, and some lights just up top here. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here as well. Very spacious. It seats 3 people, and you can fold those seats forward as well, just right here, like that. And then you got extra room in the back, as I did say. You also got some cup holders just over there. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Jeep Compass Sport. If you want to come and take a close look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.